This is a Federal Pacific breaker box, which should be replaced anyway. The gap is larger than 1/4 inch. We have white hots. We got double lugged neutrals on the neutral bar there, the grounding bar, and by the way, it's aluminum circuits in there, no antioxidant paste. Here's the interesting thing, the piece of resistance. This is the air conditioning breakers right there for the condensing unit outside, and they're oversized according to the manufacturer. But this is the power coming. This is the power coming into the box. I'm going to yank you around a little bit, and then the power going to the condensing unit is bootlegged off of L1 and L2. Some people call them double tapped, but they're double lugged. And so the power for the condensing unit's breakers, this breaker is supposed to be supplying power to the condensing unit. And I don't know where the condensing unit is drawing its power from. I don't even know why that's acceptable. I don't understand why it's not dead shorting. It's beyond my comprehension. Further evaluation by a licensed specialist is recommended. Thank you.